the messages that you send me telling me you all alone. Girl, naked pictures all on my phone got me feeling so girl. You know I be all in my zone when I touch home, girl. Want me responsible for anything I do. You know say I'm out here, I'm on my grind. Every single day you been on my mind. And I've been okay cause you been on my line. But just today I really want you by my side. You know say I'm out here, I'm on my grind. Every single day you been on my mind. And I've been okay cause you been on my line. But just today I really want you by my side. Been thinking about you today. I've been thinking about you all day. Oh wait, I've been thinking about you all day. Thinking about you today. I've been thinking about you all day. Girl, I do it, I do. I've been thinking about you all day.
Alright, fuse go slow, don't you know? You're not going through this alone. If her friends don't know, she follow. Say you the sweat to provide a hope. I know she the one in your life, but what don't kill you hurts you grow. It's okay, it's alright. Make her tell you what you really going through. It's one of those, one of those, one of those, one of those, one of those days. It's one of those, one of those, one of those, one of those days.
Been thinking about you today. I've been thinking about you all day. Oh wait, I've been thinking about you all day.
Baby, what was the anything I know?
Have a blessed day.
Did you use a yes, oh, my baby?
Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Have a blessed
What was
day.
the anything I know? What do you use a yes, oh, my baby? Gane me kaza wasuye, neferi abani saini, akume fitenyi na nashi juge. Gane me kaza wasuye, neferi abani saini, akume fitenyi na nashi juge. Wawasieni tiana kureku, eje. Mese makoma utiti magremu, ene. Sadi wawasieni tiana kureku, ene.
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning into Kovna Kwesti.
And if you love me for really, go show for your eyes, go show for your eyes.
Cecilia, oh, me da fopa. Nansen, me ka na waka. Kaneno, da na wada. Ose me ketepa, frena na waba. Nsempi, ne shishe utrim. Sese wo hu me cry, wunti me she me nim da. Wakata weni, ebo me kumizim. Ebo me kumizim. Wasieni ti ana
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so 37 minutes just after the about fair. Abusia, it's a Wednesday midweek edition of Jima and the Abbott Nashi idea. It's a winning me to me. Hey, be a mobile chain. A mobile quaba. The Bahinkan FM. Your friend me Ejini me champion boate. Obeti my friend me Kobina Costi. I granted part the perfect gentleman. And a big thank you and Koma production team. And Koma Emmanuel Jimo, DJ Shabo, and Koma Kobi K. And our friend Mr. Billy. And Koma Wonsa Uti. And check us and come up. Of course, so it's a Wednesday midweek edition. We are back on your radio. Join us live on Facebook at Hinkai 93.3 FM. On our Facebook page, let's get interactive. Send me a text of 0594 841 044. 0594 841 044. And certainly, daily dose of motivations will come in your way. And since today is Wednesday, our lifestyle segment will also come in your way. And today, on lifestyle segment, you must share ways or healthy ways to cope with stress. Healthy ways to cope with stress. So this is what we'll be looking at on our lifestyle segment this morning. Here on 93.3 FM. Wherever you are, stay tuned and stay glued to your dial. And the most important thing is, tell your friend who has never listened to this show before, tell them that you are missing out a lot. Yeah. Because this is the best mid-morning here in the enclaves. And of course, I am your driver, making sure I make your day blessed for one. Yeah. Between the hours of 10 to 12, my team and I, we're making sure we be able to come upon them out. This is what we are here to do. And of course, this is the main reason why we are being paid. Just to make your day an exciting one. So wherever you are, good morning. Charlie, I didn't master Sankala no. Mama, I didn't white too much. I am wearing white and green. I am not wearing white and what color? Anyway, send me a first on 0594 841 044. 0594 841 044. Send me a first. Let's get interactive. You can also join the show live on Facebook at Hinkai 93.3 FM. Live on Facebook. And remember to leave a comment and also share the video so a friend can also have a taste or a feel of how this show is. Again, my name is Jenny Champon Boatin. Coverage Bruce Money. I'm Branty for the perfect gentleman. Call me Kobina Costi. So real quick, let me go to my usual shout outs. And yesterday I nearly fell in a gutter. Eka kete. Obi di Jimmy Wachiro, I'm Branty pa, miss me Alfonso. Eka kete. I nearly fell in a gutter. Hey! Nanka with the news of the century. And then you remember the master Sam say, hey! A card that Kabitoma, ye bradin Yankopo. Nanka story way. A bad trender off. Anyways, I'm going to find Jack and see up on my story. Come on, Mr. Chumesi. Sam First year, I don't want to say KNL Fashion. Good morning and come on, and I'll say, and coin so man. I said, the funny name back up, Salum de Gambia, Berryman Quine. In a Moisane, and a last hour fast food joint, Plasma the Taylor. Good morning and come on, for Andrew, Boabo Bompire Junction. Good morning and come on. Nanaya, Bompire Junction. I've been so come on. Comfort and a natural look beauty salon. More Bompire Junction. For Andrew SD. Now you'll find Jackasy up. I think I like this one. I was very nice bar. You'll find Jackasy and come on. Bra Michael. We are carpenter our SDA Johnson. And I'll say Mahana. Opamade SDA Johnson. What's that tongue gobe? Na gobe no. When you say Kanyama Hanan Kami Gobe, and yes, I'm Gobe. But once at a point, to me talk Gobena or turn it 10, I would enumerate 80. Me not come in 10 Gobeza. Mama Hana Gobe, Nama Miniaja Gobe, Homa, yes, that Gobe, Shabunawe. Charlie Gobeni, Rice, Jenny, any cause Charlie, Jenny Nunqua, Jenny Nunqua Gusuno, forget it. Oh, that come to Kawai. What's the day I'm Dijao? That come to Bakovi. Gobe Papa Point, is the Johnson, a guy of Nessin can't do much on this Nessin Digo Benibi. Why can't crown you be leader? Wow, look at this. Exclusive view to Saluzu YSDA Johnson. And I buy some my Jada Hongina halfway gas filling station or Muzuzu this Soloni one Makina. I be Hongina what to say. Common parties go this yes. So I said that beauty salon, Madame Letitia. Good morning, and come on, Muna. I said, we'll go for. I said, right, Yaji, what coming in Johnson? I don't pay what to say. You get your points on here. When it charities fashion, and now for to DJ Lion, bringing more a coming in Johnson. Good morning, and come on now for quality fashion and old education. Therefore, we're always, and the factory of one also, and come on, Brad David, and come on, Pascal. Come Stagger, Medici, Bonash, Obatam Pajonatan, and come Tilapia, and come Rich, and come Banchin, and come Pierrot, Baru Soboy, Bra Kwame Okasie, Mungina, Michicha, Obama. I'm not paying me Jones. And now for Chaka say come on Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, and Anajua. Hey, shall we say Madam Pat Papa B. More government hospital. Good morning and come on Mugina. Hey Okoto bra. Okoto wa mbasa me kan wan hwe abawo ha ntimi nko ha Okoto bra. All right, so 47 minutes after 10 Mr. Brian sasa me kan okroma ntimi ntra ha bi and your Wednesday midweek edition of Ejuma. All right, so you have the daily dose of motivation is by bro now for your lifestyle segment. Stay tuned. 93.3 FM Charlie, you dey share that note.
Cecilia, oh, me da fopa. Nansen, me ka na waka. Kaneno, da na wada. Ose me ketepa, frena na waba. Nsempi, ne shishe utrim. Sese wo me cry, unti me she menim da wakata weni. Ebo me krumizim. Ebo me krumizim. Wasieni ti ana agregu. Agregu. Asembe ba debi to wasi.
What else? Songs.
Crazy baby, cause I give you my heart and my body. Whenever you need love, call me. I will give it to you 6 in the morning. I'll be your hobby. I will do anything for the body. So I love ya, that, oh, baby, baby. My sweet potato. Adore you, wine for me, baby. Oh, my Doritos. Answer to me, come and you ready, yes,
Jennifer Lomote. Menam Kwanswa meba why you ready there. Ahoma chin when you would see the demo, Nama bread, and Nana drip and then you would dear. And she may do nothing so see me jasso. To Tumpuma Nim Biabete Yanka. Father the Lumba, you miss so bomb, so Yakasana, me no me no Fimbuya pan. Intina me do with you. Oh, my men Casakrani will boon me what I must say. Debiana wash a demo one packet kaka. And come into Sana so me bra, na me drama neighbor. I hope my chin that was so, yeah.
Crazy baby, cause I give you my heart and my body. Whenever you need love, call me. I will give it to you 6 in the morning. I'll be your hobby. I will do anything for the body. So I love ya, that, oh, baby, baby. My sweet potato. Adore you, wine for me, baby. Oh, my Doritos. Answer to me, come and you ready, yes, oh, yeah. Girl, your power, they connect me. A beauty like a bunch of rose. She say, I'll be too skillful and I'm messy. You don't know, say you bust up my brain. No.
Jennifer Jame, who made me suja. Ebin pete famona when you be a so. Nyamenya ne kane when you papa, one woman come up, what a TV Hondana tota toto. Probably papa when you're done sissy. Confanochi de Gamina Bonidia. And I do the so much so do be the Brahmin Mabum Pima who's a penny, I won't come here. Win a whoop a day, whoop a kaya motua. Unim Yamakoma Pelbani ni Madeo. Come, my men.
I can't pass that time I knew we buy it.
Whenever
my head, I
will give it to you 6 in the morning.
The Krobo community, actually, let's say, was a visa.
Do anything for
a new issue with band or something. That's a circle they call retract on Papa Joe. Do you remember that thing? Yeah, that issue. I mean, it was all over near there. Anyway, so song from songs and Sako de causes one Jennifer Lomote. Beautiful composed music. And That brings us to 3 minutes into 10 here on 93.3 of Juma. And also right. So then call your daily dose of motivations. I know pay young crash out 7 from Bro CC and Alfie. Young proper trainer, young call for the first half of the show. Young from people being trainer, young proper trainer. And then Wednesday, Wukwada, and Tikwakufu, make clear for. Mungina want to send ya. My mom is a queer. Take care for you. H. Awaniano paying ya. Right, so our daily dose of motivations must focus on being productive instead of busy. And some way on. Mammy says to be a man now one can suffer quite dream. Must focus on being productive instead of busy. Focus on being productive instead of busy. I can't be. See, we have people that almost surround up. We busy busy body for no namha, no koha, no faha, no swawe, no yewe. At the end of the day, no, sebi. So man faswo, Emma bia mobia. Yakase, focus on being productive. Epa chow ejumana uwono. Diebe na waye. And I said, then I will hear them faswo bridge man. Then I will hear a deep benefit be a bridge man. Diebe na we wo jumanum and then I will company no man. Emma company progress akosro. The father said, "Oh, fro now we see, now we raha, now we come, now shut it down, now you say at the end of the day, no, so some man for so 7. Why is useless? I'm a company, and I'm a juma. What you say? You won't go for baby, Honoma. You won't show what dress upon. Now what TSC town? At the best some baby, you know, not Sabio, the bush and phone and some fast war. But I was surrounded by I did was all the show dream say you are going to be productive. What I say? So I was surrounded by fashion dream say and that day I will be productive. My mom is so bound fast war. My mom is so bound fast war. Obi wo ha osua adwuma osua adwuma but so ko adwuma no ma madam onya no so fast war the master onya no so fast war. Wabetra ho na course nko a wabetra ho na didie nko a ye wankofo bi so wo ho no ma sa wati adwuma no mu no sa ne madam ni wo na sa senior apprentice na wo ha eni afun so amiami anko a onye hu se madam oba na wa sorry no ye bibi na madam hu se mini wa sa mo ye adwuma pa busy body so sa ni pa no so man fa so ma adwuma no. I won't go for me the hosa. At the South Serrano Pa. Fashion would trim say another day. Miss Baban Faso. Say I'm man for some of the whole Ghana cry at least. If you are with him or now for form, what bush your form there? I was so mouse so bound for so my own. Don't waste your day. There was a word drew her. 5 minutes now, Shaha. 2 minutes now. And call for baby, the one of Mamma got trunk of 4 stone no more boncomo. For stores. I got from a general one come on. But pass on no is so fast what the Chiakai. And the most funny thing is that on who said the Oyano Sabi on the song bound fast wool. Official was around upon a Odiko concern and I Odinko 417 now can't go 417. A church at the Soban fast wool. Focus on being productive instead of busy. There was difference between my busy and my productive. What do you say? You can be busy all day, but you won't be productive at the end of the day. You can be busy all day, but at the end of the day, you won't be productive. And just I was showing up, I also the show to me. I am going to be productive instead of being busy. Busy body na ye. Eye. Why kakra ye bon se ma ho. Na tsena she na ka kire ho se. I was telling me ye bibi. I was so try bibi. I don't know once I am de beast, omo de ye bag ni ade on. It's that now be catch me say onyanko besu bi hey masre san be si na me ka mbuzu sere. Osi chaboti osi onyanya on. Onyanko be ye bi. Asha on na dan fote se bi amenu mienu. Na wo de beast no de ye bag. Ba me bet na on chia me buza say ana wa kwadwuma wo ye die. Hey tu be say otanya na ye da benda na obewi. But me te wo nchen o. E na wo ye minye bi. E na ye bonkomo. E na me te wo nchen na wo ye ade no. At the end of the day, who na so ban fa so. What I say, am I the most foolish person? Hey, Mr. Rock, sad time on now. What the quatrain and chain out in a bon common. Now, on no yard now who say a quadrufuadi and I say quadrufujumano. At least sounds so ye beer. Say, Kauso ye beer. Kauso banfaso. Or some banfaso. Or quatran how can't get no one sem castan no one sem can't brand no one sem. Then I win your free. Mauso mranfaso. Mauso embranfaso. Neja dema washe. And then call for store what's nan go food no concern just and come on baby. As soon in fast word Mr. Jai. Na mauso embranfaso. Social media na eye. Obi wo ha oni data na ho prenesa me pedeta. Onya data na nya so di sua ade wo online o. Enya so di business won online o. And you say be the pet connections be online. And you say be the pet job opportunities be there be. Or question ya or ya they positive. Na sabe. Or the negative comments be go as here. With sa 5 CD data no. Mesro, ma so mbran fa so at the end of the day. Ade wa kwa ya pa. So ube uza sabi o. Obi oni hwe What is you? And so now you answer me the negative comments on one. And the also sorry. Shall they say some latest news become on? Some latest news view. You know, let the latest Mount some brown for at the end of the day. A daily dose of motivations and crashes on opinion. Young quick commercial breaking in right away. The second part of the show here on 93.3 FM. Stay tuned. Your boss is here.
I swear. Nyamianim no krani say bread Dania. I was also Danny B. Briefland Hotel. Wow, what a hotel. Messi, Mitrima me do. Me wife wa hen. Besini ko Briefland weekend CBN. Esan say, bia bia o kopel as what fie. Bia bi wo ho. Management no so ya tight. Wo mo nipa ho do. Eni to kra ni Japan. Besini ko Briefland Hotel. Say who di birthday party. Oh worry. Ana ye na de wo ba fi. Program bia. Bowra Briefland Hotel. Adentia. O car park kesi or baby green grass and what that diagro kama na nipuno eya kono be international standard ujali ni na kone safa filter mu puno su ujali a unse yes ujali ni pensio akona ankasa Briefland Hotel o wa dan ya udro bebre asa uju ani bra onia busan benya baby ada na so no kanjiman's go no problem bonus ye cool enya nunku so pensa no ma awdo bia ya tuntumbo Briefland Hotel enyum chiachia so abri bia enti achemu dan manso ene ne mpatamfo ni na cross for mo ho Briefland Hotel bamamo nani masem de bia wo kwasia de bia eye pool party esanso ye mutual special brabe didi na se dwale Briefland Hotel e wa chimanso wudu ani atere achemu dan kwa no so na Presby school na chipe fresh 0551 187-926 and now say 0507-640-302 Briefland Hotel Fresisia na yabama.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense swabek.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and dear Renny Pediamus Samoya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing no, a boy who buying every home. And now woman pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se, wusika enko waste. Inti, me tomino meni na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Inti sa wupe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato, Mr. Mensa, ana, chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan. Fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ijaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
Hey, na den e koso amani agi say.
What's in so when I think it try no Vicky pass papa. Even mathematics onya A1, science A1, social studies A1, English language A1. Wa pass yankasa.
Hey, na school ben no eni omo yade o.
Only believe senior high. Woman man kanya crowd. Teachers for no woman penny papa.
Hey, me buy ko tro ne de enye crowd. Hey, mass nya.
Faniko only believe.
English yenye.
Faniko only believe.
Science so enye crowd.
Oh, me say Faniko only believe senior high. Omo ya courses ni nyina. E penny for sister banchinya. E jana kire. Abo friend wo dia wo sister ni tia bon na wo hu hwe ya. Faniko only believe. Afi omo mo tro so hwe ni nyina pa. Menua, am friend ni ya dachi o. Hey, BC so hwe wo mo tro ye. Say wa pass yo, say wo pass yo. Faniko only believe. Na ze sia me ne we ka say no. Wo mo bia admission wo mo chim mofra no. Form 1, Form 2, konya da ho no mo se sia me ka say.
Hey, enti awofo ani age o mo ye de say.
Yen kan kire. Ye se body ani one ye din kanfo. Only believe papa. Abo friend ko ho na ni so hwe ni de. Ko bia school be ma kire for no be for so mo for na pass ni de. Wo mo be ye. Wo school fees so de ne board form boko. Obetima tua ni installment. Kakra ko yisa bo friend be wie school. E school ya bia ne platform ma watch admission. School fees ni crowd ya e ma ne nya dadwen. Wo dia ne se wo de wani be kire mu e wo only believe senior high. E di for wani kire mu wo achim go krantu. Anasa friend 0240 202 148. Anasa 0247 670 736. And 0500 041 317. Only believe senior high school. Yeah, yeah,
Miniaba, not day now the one says Sumuanui. When Nimukra Yame fair, a dear Semua.
Minia Bema, a BB. I won't want your dear mammy. And what she cries, so Bossumi Besson. No, me yam cries, shimmy. Be booming, son, no, my ya say, Jimmy.
Oh, now want a prophet Dr. Perfect in camp. Or no, and a perfect prayer and herbal center. No, say a year gonorrhea, syphilis, Bema, Ninkwamwa, Ewo Fem, and I say Bema, on to me, Mwajuma, Ewo, Empem. Ninina, no, prophet Dr. Perfect, Ewo, and New Year demand.
Eh, sir, Namajuma Sama, ye bassa, Medimi Sasso be moi, and ye, and so
man in your drink cry if you say prophet Dr. Perfect etnase a juada ekope memene de bia e hwe eradema enuti yare ben e na wako a enko say ye hunhumu anase hunamu dadwini ben e na da wo so woda wo na sunsumi begirejina wo so ana fa ni nyina ebedan prophet Dr. Perfect na wo hawo no erade nti etuo betwa ubehu prophet Dr. Perfect ewo
Kemoda community
City Hospital Junction ne so ho. Fa kwan na eda wona eba Elite School mu ho no. Ka se o kɔ Pass and Gardens. Be wo say ye sandboard no e wo kwan ne so. Na fa so na bra. Anase wo be frɛ yen 0550 529628 anase 0549712110.
Prophet ana Erade abasa be ye adwuma.
Kwabra kwasi enyum papa de onkwa na obo chale dan so abiam to feel wate shino otumani na wo se kwa
Hello Ghana, this is your girl Frescalina and I'm tuning to Kavna Kosti.
It's rough and smooth.
She got swagger, she be sweet like banana. She they come from Ghana. She said diva. See, she got swagger, she be sweet like banana. She they come from Ghana. She said diva.
Shawty, you knock me off my feet. Oh, my coma, Tony, and the way you walk didn't make me weak. I call me honey, and shawty, you knock me off my feet. Oh, my coma, Tony, and the way you walk didn't make me weak. I call me honey,
Every day and night, you they make me feel alright. You never make me cry, you always make me smile. So they want to tell me swa, yana miwo, wakasanda deku masuma, namanani senkuto, makuma moya me da da da, mimi asi moya me fe fe fe, makuma moya me da, 'cause your love make me color. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. Your love make me color. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. What's on your body?
shawty, you knock me off my feet. Oh, my coma, Tony, and the way you walk didn't make me weak. I call me honey, and shawty, you knock me off my feet. Oh, my coma, Tony, and the way you walk didn't make me weak. I call me honey,
See, she got swagger, she be sweet like banana. She they come from Ghana. She said diva. See, she got swagger, she be sweet like banana. She they come from Ghana. She said diva. See the way you the move, see the way you the groove. I say me I no go shout wow. Said I won't be your guy, so say be my girl, but my body so they ask me how. As you there with me, where I there with you, make you show me your love now. We rest up the mental, make her try to enter. This now bumper to bumper. Coming straight from Ghana. Make you soji, make you party, make you soji. You my one and only baby, come make you jolly.
Drumming I mean doby, pemming I mean pelby, framing I mean froby. Would you me why make a beat, touching I mean feeling. So I don't mean kissy, I've been to the endy, payment I mean key. Drumming I mean doby, pemming I mean pelby, framing I mean froby. Would you me why make a beat, touching I mean feeling. So I don't mean kissy, I've been to the endy, payment I mean key.
Let me color. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. Your love make me color. I don't know what to say. Come and rock my body. What's I need you? Shawty, you don't play your feet.
Wherever you ranka, we kuna, we shanka, we tuna, we milanka, we dinner. Rookie, tallest rapper in Ghana. Wherever you ranka, we kuna, we shanka, we tuna, we milanka, we dinner.
I'll be the fastest rapper in Ghana.
I've been lonely for too long. Oh, I need my girlfriend. I can't take it. I wanna move on. Yeah, somebody help me. I've been lonely for too long. Oh, I need my girlfriend. I can't take it. I wanna move on. Yeah, somebody help me. I've been lonely for too long. Yeah, and I really wanna move on. Yeah, but the feeling is so strong. Yeah, and I can't take it no more. Yeah, I've been lonely for too long. Yeah, and I really wanna move on. Yeah, but the
feeling is so strong, and I can't take it no more. I see my girlfriend last year, January. Step to one, my taking number quickly. The regular phone calls were lovely. By February, she telling me, said she loves me. She said, Rookie, marry me this much. I'm like, take your time, no, my baby, don't rush. I'm meeting brother and sister in April. They like me, they said, one mother too will like you. She gave me my first kiss in May. And yeah, me do, so I went like, wait. She come my room for the first time in June. Wait, I tried to make moves, she said, Rookie, Hey, my sweet honey, come fly in July. Make her feel lonely, but Charlie, I go try. She called me every day for August. When my sister said, Charlie, start to jealous. Hey, September, no call. October, no call. It be there where I start to ball, start complain, say can't take it no more. In November, come calling number. Goddamn man picked up by a stranger. By December, high blood pressure. Start talk, tail like black rasta. But anyway, they give her too much. In fact, I am 1 week. If she no come party, I go cheat. I go cheat on your taboo. I no go fit. But anyway, I they give her 2 weeks. In fact, my am 1 week. If she no come party, I go cheat. I go cheat on your taboo. I no go fit. I've been lonely for too long. Oh, I need my girlfriend. I can't take it. I wanna move on. Hey, somebody help me. I've been lonely for too long. Oh, I need my girlfriend. I can't take it. I wanna move on. Hey, somebody help me. I've been lonely for too long. And I really wanna move on. But the feeling is so strong. And I can't take it no more. I've been lonely for too long. And I really wanna move on. But the feeling is so strong. And I can't take it no more. I'm making no say I the lover. Now he make it head the sweeter. But I won't make it no say. If you don't come, I go feel move on. I'm making no say I the lover. Now he make it head the sweeter. But I won't make it no say. If you don't come, I go feel move on. Love no be by force if you know they love me. Oh yeah, make it go. Love no be by force if you know they like me. Oh yeah, make it go. All rookie no be so. If you don't know now, you know. I know. That's why we are not the joke. No joke. No joke.
Until my kind is on the block here. Straight up. You know what time it is? Rookie. It's one time for your mind. Rookie. Okay, check it. Now, yeah, the girlfriend across the Germany for 10 years. Finally, rubber down, so what baby the Xmas. Now, she be my shorty on the block. Now, what you mama in my do a P, yes, I'm pass. Feeling the gin, I'm a muti, sending me a Coca-Cola, never tap with the beer, never crash. What she has said, what I feel, my home, but I say, I couldn't tell with him to but I bet I watch it. Now, they don't say for madam. They know your hunty when you pay Bianca, just so many rumors around. You made me your fam, so what you know who die. What be careful, you gym was it? Honey, do you wanna break up? No, one time for your mind, you for check my flow. Until my hand is on the block here. Saka dig a bit big up in the poor baby. Honey, do you wanna break up? No, one time for your mind, you for check my flow. Excuse it. All my niggas on the block here. One time for your mind, baby, poor baby.
I'll be lonely for too long.
What my lady said, what my honey said, what my shorty said. One time for your mind.
I'll be lonely.
Now, until my niggas on the block here. 1, 2, 3, bring it on, y'all.
Baby, the things you that do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise on my honor today by your side. I go come tell your mama, say you be my wife. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man, you can be my girl. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man.
Check it. Now, girl, you know what time it is. Sometimes when I sit down to reminisce about the thing we be to do, girl, give me a kiss. Now we got more things to do. This be Genesis. I be you feeling it? Now I got to think of it. Now, if you marry me, think about the benefits. Where you go get the love plus the promises. Me, I be your man. I go deliver my services. Now, and go see you are too sweet for my comedies. If you my nigga, cute beats, give me melodies. Please, if I go wrong, take apologies. I make you the boy, just make a foot the penalties. Yeah, I don't guys. That be for you, so give me this. Fame tobo koko suwe na me jiwudi. Where ya jibeni and come to woody, but you would do it because I me it be jealousy. Time changes. What I would make a debate. One time for your mind, make you push it up. I be you know what I mean. Make a give it up. Actually, so I never give it up. Make a see your candy shop, baby girl, show me love. One time for your mind, make you push it up. I be you know what I mean. Make a give it up. Actually, so I never give it up. Make a see your candy shop, baby girl, show me love. One.
Baby, the things you that do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise on my heart. 'cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man, you can be my woman. Say I like the way you do your dance, like the way you say my name, especially when you're telling me you love me. And in everything you they do, you they involve me. True love is working, 'cause I know they feel no hurting. She know they love no flatting. No way, this is for you and always be true and even when I'm picking at random, you be the one I'll be choosing. You be my right hand one. When you know there, I feel like I'm losing. When you watching me, like the sun is scorching me. When you touching me, they make I don't they sing this song.
Now, so many people they tell me, make a show you, but I swear, give you make my dream come true. She like a god, I no go feel never betray you. 10 times, I could not make a simple for your school. Now, you be my love 110. What time for me said that you then I'm insane. Which I'm a call, my not meaning a dream. My tata, watch it, tell me something. What don't know my time, so I will meet him with that. I am a coma who's a for a yap. I made a as a family, she could have made a better one. I could have been a big and deep on the
baby, that thing you that do me, that make all the feel. Yeah, my love, don't go for you. My love, I promise on my
I the promise on my honor. I the promise on my honor.
Hey, mama, say you be my wife. 'Cause I can be your man.
I can be your man.
You can be my girl. I can be your man. You can be my girl. 'Cause I can be your man.
Alright, so can we share that this was the song that Bruce Sarko did? And I'm gonna say me boy. So there's this thing misunderstanding. I got first say it was Dan Swabian and the man Sarko the year Sarko there. People say it was this song and the man Sarko there Sarko there. And of course I sat with Dan Swabian here in the studios and Dan Swabian told me say you are not a man Sarko the year Sarko there. Shall we do you remember that interview? Yeah, I had that interview with Dan Swabian. And Uncle Foss says, baby, you know, Mugisi, you know, that was his year. And also, the man Sarko the year Sarko there. And Uncle Foss said, okay, I did Dan Swabian the Nidikakra. But it was Dan Swabian and Ebema, who Sarko there, but the blow Sarko there. I only Mugis. Over Diana. Alright, so 93.3 FM, second part of the show. Exactly 21 minutes after 11 is still tuned into the best mid-morning. Of course, my name certainly remains Jenny Me Champon Boaten. Over to my friend Kobina Champon. I'm Kobina Boaten. I'm Branton Part, the perfect gentleman. Yet, from a Jump Trading Enterprise. Jump Trading Enterprise. Ewo Achim Odan Krom Haya One Jaji and the Dinsheni, our company Junction. Now Jump Trading Enterprise, me patch what you ye. I want Tonton Adansi who your mammy says some mates. A bisu to say another one iron rods, POP, plasterboards, fiber, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles. Many Adansi who no ma Kenya. So do Nico PM away Jump Trading Enterprise. A war at Chimodan, company Junction. I'm a pacho. We see cannot qua. One Cassava to Sikegu. Namobe who's a one Yasikano song fast war. And you know, Adansi who no a papa quality building material be a Mr. Not with when you could trim away Jump Trading Enterprise. And in Pedophone didn't come on and Mr. Mensa and didn't come on. It was 0208 123 872 0208 123 872 and 0244 566 880 0244 566 880 Jump Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensana Joe Joe 2 near the Mr. Mensanka so your guy. And I say you know, no man in answer. I papa. It's a couple remo. Na kope binafe. I am proper cheese and yadia. Afe only believe senior high school. Only believe senior high school. So your school back. Wabe PM. Away PM man tem. Koforujia Kokrontume na sukuu fi some by nkwala anase sukuu mofra enche wo home felida enti wo pese wo ba no etro no passe na wotumi de kona ni mu abrabo mu dia mesrew fa akwala ne call Only Believe Senior High School. Only Believe Senior High School. Meti me say simbo akase last year wayek anase wase tro mpotem hanyina Easter hanyina wo mo no top here the was send am friend try don in fact one shock pa ati fa kola call Only Believe o person ko home economics fa ne ko ho onko ye science onko ye general arts general Greek science anase be general I know visual general can ho I can't general visual arts. You will scratch it. I did the visual arts, general arts, and I've a Greek science and a home economics. The part of call Eyeko Ferrugia, Kokrontume, na Obano Econa Fay, maybe Uncle Ye come upon man. The part of person in the phones who didn't come out. A quanda ho, Obetsman from 0240 202 0240 0240-202-148 and 0247-670736. Only Believe Senior High School. See, all things are possible. Now, Regent Roof and Construction Limited. Regent Roof and Construction Limited. The part of one way I dance here home and send seminar. And now for you, a bassa young bot dinosaur. See me up, a bassa young bot dinosaur. Na a dina home of MP. I am a tiger as every building, and the beauty depends on the roof. And then say you are doing say a painter or boy, and your roof will not be about dinosaur on, and I see the beauty of the building. And you know, someone pay roof for papa and farm boss. Joe, won't say a family painter with the painting. Say I butch ready, I guess, and a time and granny. Mr. Pet roof for papa. And chance Diana with the ball dinosaur will say, you paid for quality. And you know, anyone a Regent Roof and Construction Limited, or watch him down Chrome here, or why Akim State SHS and the Johnson opposite, Hopper and I'll be home Regent Roof and Construction Limited. Manager said, come and catch some someone. Now, for the product, the quality ones, Nibia, but now for so, yeah, started the price in Sonia. It's the bra. And the show pay IBR, IDT, Sevlog, standing seam, metal trusses, was a brana baby, now for good dinosaur. A but show say, what die way, maybe a one area environment, this particular roofing, and a wow, and a hassle, so this particular one, and a wow. The straw, and juicy candy, and yes, you can appear the entino. Now, ya Tom, ya Pebia man, now for your juicy can coffee. Now, the Cobaya brands are there, and yes, Sakra, and I yaho, and Tibera Regents say, now Freya. That was 0544 313 504 and now 505 now 0244 134 119 Regent Roof and Construction Limited. And I pray was a brassia. Bra, not a friend. Now you don't think come on here. Hey, Seba. Alright, so 93.3 FM. You are still live on your super duper mega val. And your lifestyle segment at bro. But in the meantime, Nako point my Easter Eba. Easter is coming up, right? And in a Hinkan Elfam and Briefland Hotel, where watch Chilman so at the Hinkan FM Easter Festival, Edinburgh. A part of Bashasi and Yakoponya man 7th April. 7th April. And we have Briefland and you know, Namia 7th April. Na Easter no Bashasi. And in kind of and a Briefland Hotel, I can't boom. And now for Yakoponya Saturday, no so 8th April. Be clean up exercise. I watch him man so and then Potemina. And now for 9th April, no so no. Mutual special and a pool party because so Brefaland and at 10th Monday and so. And so you made it because so. And in fact, from 7th at the BC 10th April. I kind of fair in the Brefaland Hotel. I tell you free. Like you sure some baby now for be at me across your palm, person with you and India. And 193.3 of Brefaland Hotel and I kind of fair. Right, Daffy and T. Simona, lifestyle segments, and then come on the lifestyle segments. There's healthy ways to cope with stress. Healthy ways to cope with stress. This year you're stressing, basa. You're stressing, basa. And stress in our baby that's really due to depression. Yes, so yesterday, I think Andrechi, or it was yesterday rather. MOG beats. Post TBB or the socials say a lot of artists are facing depressions and it's not easy. Music producers, video directors and all. And in one of our groups, myself and my friends, we were having this discussion, same discussion about depression. I tell you what, people are stressed, and because I want to manage stress, you know, I turn it into depression. And me show percentage wise, but I can say a lot of people are depressed. A lot of people are depressed. But anyways, you can't depression once a minute, you can't stress. You distress home come on. Now many of us are facing challenges that can be stressful, overwhelming, and also cause some strong emotions in our thoughts and children. Now public health actions such as physical distancing can make us isolated and lonely and can increase stress and anxiety. Baby, nah. But I want to tell you some few points on how to cope with stress or how to manage stress. And depression, yeah, there are a lot of people are facing stress. Now, my first point is take a break from watching, reading, or listening to news stories. You are stressed already. Hey, you know, if you want to manage your stress, what point for Juma Kofi? And Kabeya, I'll bet take a break from watching TV, reading or listening to some news stories now, including those on social media. Now I found phone now yourself you are stressed already. Sometimes things you see on social media it amount to some little stress. And now it's good to be informed by hearing about the traumatic events and also some upsetting things. In fact, some things was stress you already. It is true. Kabeanka limited. Reading limited. Some computer screens and phone screens as well. Now, what me cope with stress. Now, point number 2, take care of yourself. If you are stressed, you need to take care of yourself. Now, eat healthy. Also, exercise and so, and get plenty of sleep. And give yourself a break if you feel stressed up. And this I would say now office and you are stressed. You can write to your manager, tell him to, give you a break. Tell your manager to give you a break. Take good care of yourself. Because stress in the air. Again, anyade papa. I hope many papa. And stress can lead to depression. Stress can lead to depression. And in the place, you need to take care of yourself. That's our point number 3. And point number 4, make time to unwind. Very necessary. Very necessary. And yet, now take time to unwind. So you gotta take time to unwind. What you're trying to say is, try to do some other activities you enjoy doing. If you are stressed, there are some little activities you enjoy doing. Please, what is it? The legends would definitely understand the points I am driving to. If you are stressed, yes, if you are stressed and you get now very necessary. I am sorry if you are lost. It means you are not a legend. Come and see the way Shabo is smiling. So make time to unwind. Yeah, it means you need to try some other activities you enjoy doing. That's point number 3. And point number 4, talk to others. Talk with people you trust about your concern and how you are feeling. Share your problems and how you are feeling and coping with a parent, a friend, counselor, doctor, or a doctor. Sorry, a pastor. You can also talk to someone. You can also talk to your pastor or your doctor or even your counselor. Even parents, you can, talk to them. And then here say they will also give you a listening ear. If you are stressed, you need to talk to someone. I also a bit you. I was so now be a bit you. Be about the listening ear. You can talk to your wife or your husband. You can talk to Obi your time. The person will make time for you. To get you off stress. And our last point is to avoid drugs and alcohol. I say can be say if you are stressed, if you are worried, na say no alcohol. Ebe kwa obwa. Obi o say na say bibi ye na no alcohol. You still think about it. The last point is to avoid drugs and alcohol. This may seem to help, but they can create additional problems and increase the stress you are already feeling. Unima. And I'm a journal. Oh, already you are stressed. You say you want to add alcohol. And who says after that see free one is not enko free one is I say enko owa it's still good day. So about 6 or 7 years ago, I was sick, and yeah, me normal be and me can radio there. But so after I was discharged from the hospital. So I said my catcher and my catcher. And I was in pain at the time I did my destiny. I know what? The time I did my visit. So I was feeling the heat. So after the hospital, I had a me about 7 years ago or something. And then yes. And I'm see there be the way I am suffering the drone at the moment so minimum be mad and be calm down kakra. But still the situation was some way. And a friend of mine, a foolish friend of mine says, Charlie Cora, make I advise you. This thing where you do, I know they feel better, eh? Charlie, for take alcohol. Oh no, man.
Download the Ghana Waves app. Oh, Play Store, App Store. Neti.
Hey, shall we then have one?
Download this here. And you're free.
Are there neighbor? Now do you do my elbow? What you do my elbow?
No. I don't know the today.
Ah.
Just cover everything from inside.
Remember, you made the home come on. Either you make no worry. Just jail this one. You made the home come on. International me say that day them do some concoction be. A drone na me no now. Say after one me jai hospital with drone.
Okay.
And I say me fa bibi drone. I didn't be na oh.
Yeah.
It's your mother sa at the 96 sodas. And I'm with the fry, I'm with the alcohol kakra, a war mammy. Say, it mean no make pa na I'm by Ghana Music Award. About 7 years ago. I'm a Ghana Music Award. It's not me say, where they was say me should be. Come on, should be baby upon. And I'm no idea. Charlie. Now who's a woman alcohol pa mo dada uncle for. Was I didn't uncle? Uncle, I'm catch him say ebe call on. Nti say kwa betimi ada betimi ahwe program no betimi sala me dan tem.
Now we're in the first place. Alcohol on was a daisy unto them no better.
O say me ti pain no.
But that's no better.
Masa me person me ti pain.
Pain no dey on alcohol on no at the moment now on no. So on ma me fan say pain whatever
experience.
Okay,
me ti. Oh da kasa.
Oh yeah, me jai.
Sorry. Sorry.
Alcohol no go system my own. Once I say come on nerves no down on. And the more than at that moment no. Maybe some moment pain don't it. But if you mu hey and na go on those.
Me say tie. Tama de ya me ya no. Omo say oh my fa bi infra woduro ni ma. Na mbo be bo na calm me pain down say na what my show program. And I miss you mate. And I'm no ma dey. That's it. Maybe I'm da be 5 minutes. Me so yellow.
Na akon wasn't too much.
Saturday na ade na eye me ya kra mo kra chin de bia.
Akon those.
Nessa cadoso.
Oh, then those. That's it. Almost gina okay. And then the way.
Na usi we are there. We know come and play.
Ghana Waves. I can't even we are now on Ghana Waves.
It's your bonus and boy. Me boy and bow. Bo mami. Yendi hu come Ghana Waves ni
dey.
Ghana Waves.
And I say then.
Minim.
Who told him Ghana Waves?
Okay, T for the benefit of Obi own him. Ti kan sa then.
Say your Facebook na YouTube na there. Obo oni ada job dey share visual on. And with your phone and internet no. Oko Google na wa search Ghana Waves. Wo ko na kan FM home. Na onya click live programs na. You stream live on them. That's how to radio now.
Okay.
But just via internet. With the internet net.
Okay. Nice. Internet I'm on any other day
baby everywhere you go.
Okay. Nice one. No problem.
When download Ghana Waves app, Play Store, App Store. Neti ahinkan 93.3 FM. Download this here. You free.
Oh, not just the NJ Capri.
And the way grana how anya all the time about Google. Do Google Play Store now. Not download the app na go phone so. In the old phone so. As a menu na Google phone so. Was it? Edunya call on my straight call phones you are good to go. I can from your boy going. You get me?
Na each time then it happen.
I is an gum. Aka Fest 2023.
Then
Aka Fest 2023. I can FM Easter communicate fast there. I go for some more. I can FM Easter Festival. No. Aka Fest 2023. And as usual, I can FM say BBA say my manin sis in terms of aqua. And the why not just a prayer by idiom. It is not just a big book who can say a bomb manzo. And the I can from name Briverland. I came to my from Eja. Manso community in a baby same Easter on the 7th, on the 8th, on the 9th, and on the 10th. I can't boom, I can't from Manso Anafi Briverland Hotel. The activities. Eastern Mark of Tanqua. Ye baby, do a demo. Brother bio.
Another person buza.
Ai, nti no no. Nti breakdown there onim.
So reaction. Oh, 777 Adam for you foolish. Hey yo. I didn't make kana coded one now be any. But that will be a testing message. You fear to tell your listeners that you had
you had what? Continue.
Meant to us. Now I send make us come here.
It means so meant to us.
They would to us saying. I can't yali the whole Ghana. Onaga so yawe so yali. Yawe.
Oh, but that got no. Ore opa bizakobiki. Say something severe. If it's all okay now accident that. But sometimes doctors prescribe just say sankako bizakobiki kwanza no ordinity.
O say ya. O say ya.
Sako system no ma. Me nkasa me anyasa me promote alcohol or something no. But alcohol ne me ho ha me ngano asa open no too much vein no.
Brand ambassador.
Anya brand ambassador say me don obema mabodiem manya say me ton yi on you know ele mboni am nya adwete ana
David
enti me mo
matembo
mamembo me ton yi no say na
na say yawe enye nim say oton bi na
but the tensions are no like na ne moja no enti ma order da moja na
e ba nsa na me na me moja
na me cho say bia na kitikiti no me from
oh wanza ade na
so those that you don't do you are now on your call me
but no hom sinti on pese pain nko
okay mama ka samba konjo obi on ma ko obi ana sa wonu makwa o ye den obebo agise bia o di test kitu bi keke entina me cho say bia na wo wadro no akon kitikiti bi no me from anya we you didn't have the effect of alcohol no akon anya juma o so
inti yeah me nya yeah me akwa
ana ya ada wo ya for natural pain ya ko ne ko ye man ya
me say ade ne man ye me ya me sorry yelo jai
say na man ya da sana akokinya na eba bi kuno ana onim sa wonu medro na se kwa kosa yare peja yare no na afi akile no so
menti ase
on dia se
edu je se ade na kile
me fa se o gonorrhea na se on treat
ida ude wazampu bia ya de hu
okay ana o syphilis on na o sole na uji
na syphilis ni go
na se uji ko bi ke me ngata family hada no ni mvro imvro na undriti the moment that on the uju dada and they show mo acha ebe onye ze bia engo yo the moment that they draw back no afi once we start dwibiem afansa na akoka yare no and they akoka na ansa na eden ansa ashira se the open na feel no ngeze o sa admo na feel
doctor ya dasi doctor nyami shira fa you say do alcohol nkomo bia betima afra won de
da menya alcohol bia menya brand ambassador don't be friend
that mean kasa say at least you probably over experience
that be na experience na me alcohol you
oh na say yesuya de
na da me alcohol me teacher go
na say they were beken obi ehun say oh say wo pain mu a that is what you just said.
Oh no, too. Fair. I don't say in our social environment. No. Everything you have to get a fair idea.
Exactly.
And you're expecting.
Exactly my point. It say there are about 1 billion people listening to the show. I mean, we have no idea about what you just said.
Mom misinterpreting me. Me can't say open my corner.
Yes, sir.
No,
but that's what you just said.
No, tio. What's not na major jomo?
Okay.
Me can't say obi open my corner go.
Okay, this is uche say obi.
What's no one say the mouth. And I'm see the tell me the mouth and say, I'm the mouth na amount why the 1 days off. 2 days off. On sorry no. Now pains na the pains na o feeling. Maybe I reduce another. And I me just say na kon wasn't too much into anya o feeling. Anya say be na system no minim
wangaza o kat mu house na ebia na akọ no enye bebre
say tio
eti mi na say ke bebre a
tio wo obi a wanom za etimi na wamboda
me hu bi da
but ndi wambo me ni akọ was neza
una so bi wonu otimi num little me ni mo bi a ono comrade John boy otimi num calipo nu abo
how does it come in there can
now listen so ultimately we see obi o num bebre obi on so onum alcohol But bibi kakra bi want to say nsefu. Wait man nsefu be obebo.
That's what I'm talking about.
But it's nsefu so bebre na so enya alcohol. Ye no say
nsefu bi alcohol.
Enya ni nyina.
Alcohol ada ni nyina.
Shabo de ade my hohoro yan say na alcohol.
Alcohol nsefu be na nyako.
Shabo my bi de hohoro yan sa de.
Me say alcohol. Nsefu na sim pamenya alcohol.
Eno ye so no a ena alcohol. Shabo de na mo no a.
Nsefu na ye no a no de no certain quantity na be say unde there. Nsefu alcohol.
De no.
Na de.
De no.
Me say alcohol.
Abo.
Na mzi no bebre na be so omwa. De.
Wa me po wasel.
Me no level. Oh, so we zamuta manu bi da ba mempe.
Oh, enya lie.
Mempe nzevu. Wasa nzevu yase ema okay nzevu anya brand bia. Nzevu yase no too much. Etima member ya reference
Osa.
David Henia.
Oh, you sure?
Sana me mate. I'm not me reason. Me need to confirm.
Na on ma ko ho bebre so etimi yo dey.
Oh, I say akọ no bebre dey nyama bebre. E destroy body entirely. Nyama bebre.
Iti enye
na wana say akọ ye.
Enye.
Wana say ye.
Me busa authority.
Enye no not at all.
Me da say. Me person me start campaign we need so be bo me am.
Me say good nkwada.
Say no to alcohol.
Very good.
If I men no alcohol. And you say say we preach bibia, you need to practice it.
Yes, of course.
You get it.
What are you dragging at?
Oh, I am just saying so.
No,
I'm just asking a question. No, me was a question. I want to start a campaign on alcohol. And I make sure say yes say person who preach bibi to nkofo I see who say you are practicing the particular thing. You get
but
it?
One the way you say me ton oh. The man boy me ya bekasa. But still I'm not me don and business.
Okay. It ye ko be a with my product as munjai na me kra me nya bi.
Yes, of course. Me my be that me my be that garden my be that much know the negative effect and the positive effect.
Not just in this case me can say who deceive public.
Me deceive public.
Say be what can say menye bi da ntimusu munjai.
Oh, that mean Casandron. Me say my be that. And to mean the negative effect and the positive effect. And in everything, too much of everything is bad.
Exactly.
Alcohol in some way, in some way. But how and for patronizing the problem? No?
Okay.
Sanganya sanga alcohol. It's for big takuns all time. Masa. Bebre na local one. But they are living for me okay. But ebinu misuse no. And then as a drunkards me wa mengano. Enti o can be
na ma tomu 10 times.
No now we word no.
But maybe focus no youth ni so. And I me targeted from 12 years because me who 12 years in kwala ukrom ha. Omo abuse alcohol.
Omo bo papa can
me target ni 12 years to 25 years.
25 because it's now almost 34 now.
Oh, ma 30 there. Oh no, things wa yama wa to me wi.
Oh, you hear
yes, it me ni omo a afi na omo sha ase na omo feel say nkofo ye ntimi nya bi no. What I say?
Only the entire even by preachers no cry am say akonya ntima mu nko akọ ho no. The thing is enya say enya entirely na totally. But that akoya de bia one way one way now you matra mako try and the one way na so dem and I graduate na say ufie say hardcore
no one ka say pe why on
and then also like jinam sa those and na ye we one no
ye pe why on that na odi bia ka one
and into the best way and say abstain and ko kra na anko
that's the problem
but un why there na control simple
no and only one there na just drink responsibly
why gentle simple
odi ko show them
why gentle say
me nya ba bi say uni mbone ho akwan de ye
why na guy
me nya ba bi kan bibia na kan na kan say ye uni mbone ho akwan de ye e pa cho yen ka say drink responsibly ade na nkasa jai young boy I see so near the Charlie I don't go for say the weather na.
Was it?
Go for say the.
O me obisa me anza me
I go for say.
Me hypocrite o. Let den that be o ka say that I don't know.
Me busa question. Tell me no na edi nkomo.
Okay, me busa one question answer me answer them.
Busa me.
What is that order?
Na you na maka cho say me here bia.
Did not add another
me afraid drone till me new say drone na do say na do.
We a drone na different fuel. Akọ na nkaza on test video. On test video. Okay. Alcohol enye de. And I'm gonna say. Okay, depending on the type of alcohol.
Okay. Not na bi mo no my.
Anu na ese, enye say de. Anu de.
And that me no ko to bo nkun bi wo. Ejira unsa na me process hade.
I know agwani is
Papa no say
obi aso so mani o. Enso we se na wa ya we no. Oda pa sometime bra. We ba no san gibium.
O say me di bi twa na mani so.
Oh, something hunu na.
Na wa say me na nim.
Ene ze hunu na onim bwango wi.
Asebo. Alright, so 93.3 Vakaya 7 minutes now for your proper training there. Na ya sorry so na nyankopon ya demo chance so. Ya beto aso ne there. Na me ya demo Saturday so show business 93 ba. Na nyame ya Saturday ye be din common comedy. Dala udim papa ya watamle. Papa ya watamle. Papa ya watamle. Don't worry, yeah. He's a big time comedian. Mo follow no social media nyamoni no. Oni obi amponsa me Lexi the comic. Omo ya mo call GH1 TV ekoye show be your friend no. They have serious show.
Okay.
Yeah. Bako be fi hanom Saturday, yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's you better how to build and also how to make comedy attractive outside Accra. Yes, Lord Caleb. When this Saturday we come on so dey bia or come cry comedy shows near there. Just say I didn't know that him say. Teach you know that him say. Ye nim say obi so comedy show meet me patronize ya na say kofi ba. Obeko ye comedy show kroma.
Comedy. Ngome we.
Conference o.
I say that's ready we go heavy.
Na won ko ho kra say esra.
Ayabako.
Say what could be that what could
mempe concept but ade we abesre dem pepa ntimako.
No one no. You see and hon common ye person ye dia na ye hwe how e betima build the comedy. E wo kroma na dia se na be ankofo be patronize na because my last comedy show am call Mesrea ma refi ama onim. Mesrea ma na obi ti be chair like this. Mesrea I'm doing some more this. Mesrea ke ko am this pa. Na dey tea dey so. Inti no me coffee kodasa.
Oh, yeah. We are growing and as it in
oh, they was why on gentle. I mean, I was carried away. As you but if you chroma ain't
oh, yeah, laughter a draw. Pa. So onya broken other. Ko concert ko comedy
no.
Basre was a review. Agwan grandfather some so.
What can see a drone na makai. Me call asamai no. Me share woman bi Mrs. Lucy. Oni ni gun ye from your friend Mr. Johnson.
What confirm me din no?
Mrs. Lucy. Na Mr. Johnson omo come to 6 or dan hanoma. Omo say drone mu timi una wo ma omo say utimi omo sra na omo refi kra some problems.
Hey, sir. On a job, I'm going to join my
Mrs. Lucy. Mrs. Also, I'm coming to 6. Yeah, many shower someone can say.
Okay.
And I'll catch him say, your friend Mrs. Lucy. They consudi at the Mr. Johnson.
Okay.
A dream rare.
I don't must say.
I would see more almost stress and the dream rings. I won't say, I'm here
in Papa. As I know, that's now a you won't go now review.
What I say?
Do you remember on the movie?
I'm a frappuccino. Our from French, you got idea. Miss Record Dania. I was your friend, Jenny, me champion boating. Wait, my friend, Covina Costi, I planted part the perfect gentleman. Check us, young command. Be a with you, be an ass like a sense on command DJ. Shall we copy King and not upon him and friends of Mr. Billy.